I'm Jody Brenner Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to give you a little bit of insight on what goes on behind the scenes when your case is perhaps in litigation or coming up for a hearing. Recently, the State Board of Workers' Compensation has instituted a new rule that allows us to have conference calls with judges. And that's not to say that we didn't have them previously, but it seems to be something that we're dealing with more and more. Meaning if there's an issue that we believe is of emergent issue, that is, it's something that we need to take care of right away. It's something where perhaps your authorized treating physician has given an order for you to have a particular type of care. And the hearing that we have requested because the insurance company has failed to authorize it might be 2 months down the road. Meaning you go to the doctor and he wants you to have particular injections. He's an authorized treating doctor under workers' comp, and the insurance company, for whatever reason, has decided they are not going to approve it. We then have to ask for a hearing, and that hearing, unfortunately, cannot be set for at least 6, 8, 10 weeks down the road. It's just the way the court system works. However, you are out there suffering and unable to get medical care when there doesn't seem to be any good reason for it. The judges, as I say, are now willing to take conference calls from myself representing you, and of course the other attorney would have to be on the line, or the representative from the insurance company. We cannot just call the judges on our own and speak with them without the other side being represented, nor can the other side do that without you being represented. But what I want you to understand is we are seeing in some cases an opportunity to get things moving a little bit more quickly with the conference calls. The judges can issue what's called an interlocutory order, meaning they can say, well, we're not going to make a final decision on whether you should be able to get these injections or medical care for ongoing, but from the time that you have the conference call until the time we get to the hearing, the judges might issue an order saying, for the purposes of the next 6 or 8 weeks, since this is an authorized treating physician, I'm going to allow you to go get 2 injections or 3 prescription medication fills or whatever the case may be. So that's an opportunity for us to try to push our issues along a little bit more quickly. In many, many cases, what we find is, unfortunately, the insurance company will delay and drag things out many times because they want to get the evidence that's going to be beneficial for them. Unfortunately, that puts you in a situation where you're, as I said, not getting the proper medical care or not receiving the TTD benefits that you believe you're entitled to. If we're able to have these conference calls with judges and convince them to at least issue an interlocutory order, it can be beneficial to you, your case, and your health. We are quite familiar with this process and procedure. We are doing it all the time for our clients, and if you have this issue and would like to speak with me, I'm happy to speak with you about it. You can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you.